Do you know what is the biggest hurdle I face when it comes to doing SEO for Shopify stores? It's the mindset. A mindset that purely focuses on selling their product. That's why most store owners fall prey to quick rich schemes by SEOs. Schemes that include adding tons of forum links, shady link building techniques, and cheap SEO packages with many daily and monthly reports. Just like store owners, many SEOs are also working with a mindset of selling. Unfortunately, it does not work. You need to understand your customer and its journey, a journey that starts from how he becomes aware of your product and leading up to buying the product. Once you understand this as an SEO, you can easily design a winning strategy using the basic fundamentals of SEO. This is not a Shopify SEO course, so I cannot go into the details of everything I do in real life e-commerce stores. But I will list down the 5 key things that will help you to rank the store on Google. So let's do this. Before I begin, if you are a Shopify store owner and want me to optimize your store, DM me on the LinkedIn or Twitter and see how I can help you build organic traffic that converts into a sale. And if you want to do it on your own, continue watching the video. The first thing that you need to verify and optimize is the title tag and H1 tag. It is one of the biggest ranking factors along with the URL. Still, many e-commerce stores across platforms, be it Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, I rarely see these tags optimized. They are way too broad. Collections and products are the backbone of any Shopify store. These cannot have broad title tags or H1 tags. For example, if you're selling t-shirts, you cannot name your collection as t-shirts. Understanding your ideal customer and visualize what he may be searching for is really important. Think about the questions like, am I selling all kinds of t-shirts? No, be specific. Like, casual t-shirts for men in India, sports t-shirt for men in India. These are the kind of title tags and H1 tag you should be using. If you notice, casual t-shirts is the type of product. Men is who it is for. India is my target location. So all these together becomes a long tail keyword and is very specific to a certain type of customer who is looking for a certain kind of t-shirt at a particular location. Remember, title tag is the one that your customer will see in search results. So make it enticing to click. Don't compromise on the main keyword. And in fact, if you are a big store and selling all kinds of t-shirts, then make different collections for each type of t-shirts. Use keywords research tools like SEMrush to check volumes of each keyword before creating collections. You cannot make a collection with a search volume of 100 or 200 per month. But again, this rule can be broken. If you are into a niche category where maximum volume in SEMrush for any collection will be around 400 or 500. To simplify, if the volume of one of your collections is 5,000 and now you are trying to add a new collection to your store with a search volume of just 200, most probably you will be making a mistake. Number 2, URLs. This is a quick tip, not as detailed as the previous one. Your URL should be as short as possible. That is the number 1 thing you need to remember. And number 2, your H1 tag should be part of the URL. That is it. Just remember these 2 things while creating your URLs. And let me share a secret. This is not limited to Shopify. This tip on tags and URLs are same for any kind of website. Number 3, add description. Although it is no-brainer that you should be adding a comprehensive description for your products, as it is not only good for SEO, also for your customers. You want to give them a good user experience. Although description for collections is optional, but you can check what your competitors are doing. If they have a description for the collection, go ahead and add one. Tip number 4, breadcrumbs. Use breadcrumbs, as simple as this. These are not only good for SEO, but are good for user experience as well. If you don't know what they are, now look at the screenshot on the screen right now. Tip number 5, internal linking. Contextual linking on one page on your website to another page on your website is called internal linking. It helps Googlebot in crawling your store effectively. But how effectively, or rather I should say, how meaningfully you can do internal linking between products and collections. That's why you need a blog for your store. This is kind of a tip number 6. I know you are a store owner, you must be thinking, Navdeep, I am selling products. I am not a blogger. You are not different. Most store owners think alike, and trust me, I see raised eyebrows whenever I suggest them add a blog to your store. Blog articles not only help in internal linking but also help in building topical authority for your collections. For example, if you're selling Valentine's Day gifts, you can easily blog about topics like how to select a Valentine's Day gift for boyfriends, how to select a Valentine's Day gift for girlfriend, similarly for wife, for husband, and so on. Can there be another topic beyond these? Maybe dogs. Dogs. Link your products in your articles, or you can also call it as pitching your articles in your blog posts. These articles are part of your customer journey that I mentioned at the start of the video. I hope it is making some sense why you need a blog. Now that you have stayed this long in the video, which I know are very few of you, you deserve a bonus tip, which is the most important one in this list. Tip number 7, verify canonical tags. It may sound a bit technical and nerdy, but you cannot ignore this. Most canonical tags are self-referencing when you create any page. It makes them an independent identity to rank on Google. But this can create problems in stores as the chances of having a duplicate content are very high. Now let me explain to you with a simple example. Suppose you can have a category t-shirts followed by men. And then for the ease of customer, you can have another category men. Under men, you have t-shirts. In both cases, there will be identical products. So now the important question is, which one should Google rank? It cannot rank both. So it will drop the idea of ranking either. What should you do now? Make one primary, and in the second case, use a canonical tag to reference the primary. This will eliminate the issue of duplicate content, and still you can have both options without compromising the user experience. So now tell me, did these tips make any sense to you? I hope so. It is making some sense to you. If you want, I can make a Shopify SEO checklist and link it to the description, but only if I get at least 50 comments with I want Shopify SEO checklist. If I get 50 comments or more, I will link it in the description. I hope this was useful. I am Navdeep Soni. See you in the next video. Bye.